Hello friends, welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. I hope you all are doing great. So 2021 is coming to an end and I thought why not to share my favorite lipsticks this year. Of all of the lipsticks I tried, I will share my top 5 favorite lipstick, be it the shade or the formula and everything. Based on majorly on the shade and the formula, I will share my favorite 5 lipsticks with you all. And let's begin the video. But before moving on, if you're new to my channel, I hope you consider subscribing to my channel. You can also follow me on my Instagram, The Lazy Diaries. So now let's move on and begin the fun video. So as you can see that this is my whole lipstick purchase this year. I got only 17 lipsticks this year. Yes, only 17 lipsticks this year. Because this year we were wearing mask and beneath mask I do not wear too much lipstick. So many times I go without lipstick because I wear a mask. And we are not going out also that much. So hope next year is beautiful and we don't need a mask, so I can buy many more lipsticks. So this is my lipstick purchase total, and as you can see I can say that I have an equal number of high-end lipsticks and affordable lipstick also. So you can see that these are all MAC lipsticks. So I got this 6 MAC lipsticks and all of these are limited edition lipsticks. Then I have 2 color bar lipsticks, some Lakme, L'Oreal, and this is Bellora Paris. So now let's begin the video and let me share which is my first favorite, all of my favorite lipsticks. So my favorite has to be this one. This is the La Rouge Deep Velvet lipstick from Givenchy. This is my ultimate favorite and this is the most expensive lipstick I have in my collection. I bought it this year and I have a full review on this. If you want to see the detailed review, you can go and check that video also. So this is my favorite lipstick, the shade, the packaging, and it goes very well beneath the mask. The formula is very comfortable. It is not at all drying and very beautiful formula. It's just like silky, like butter on your lips. The shade is too beautiful and it works wonderfully beneath my mask. So this has to be my favorite lipstick, and if given a chance I would definitely try out few more shades from this range. This is my favorite lipstick among all of the lipsticks. Now, if I have to choose the second one, then this one from MAC will be my second favorite. This is the shade called Healthy, Wealthy and Thriving. This is a limited edition packaging, but this shade is available in their regular range also. This is a powder kiss lipstick. So if you are interested in this shade, you can definitely get it in the regular case. You won't get this packaging, but in the regular packaging, you will definitely get. This is not a red shade, not a totally red shade, very beautiful shade, and you can very easily wear this in everyday wear also. It works very nicely in all dresses, on all color dresses. This is my second pick. My third pick is these mini lipsticks from Lakme, and the formula here is so beautiful. I love the full size what you get, and these are the minis. The packaging is also very interesting, and if I have to share one shade or choose one shade, then this has to be this shade. This is the shade called Red Boots, and it's also very different shade. I do not have anything like this in my collection. So this is my third pick from all the Lakme lipsticks. I have 2 Lakme crayons here also, but somehow they are not in my favorite list. But these 3 minis are my ultimate favorite. My fourth favorite has to be something from Color Bar. So I have these 2 lipsticks from Color Bar. This is a recently launched lip crayon, and this is the Jacqueline collection. So the collection here, this is too beautiful. The shade also and the packaging is really beautiful, but if I have to choose, I will definitely go with this one. I will go with the lip crayon one because first the shade here is amazing. I love the shade and it's a very beautiful shade, and the formula also, I have a full review on this also. And yes, on all of this lipstick I have full and detailed review. You can check all my lipstick playlist there. So I will choose this one because with this Jacqueline collection, it doesn't look too good on my lips. The color does not come as it is here. So I personally enjoy using this lip crayon over this. So this one, this sultry matte, I think what is called, not sultry matte, this is called Creme Me As I Am lip color, is my fourth favorite of this year. And my last pick has to be one from Bellora Paris. I have got two shades. This is Beetroot Mauve and this is called French Red. And yes, French Red is my favorite. So let me show you this. This is the shade and it has all the beautiful things which you want in a lipstick. The formula is amazing. The shade is amazing. It's not at all drying on your lips. It stays for a very long time. And yes, I have a detailed review on this. If you want, you can check the detailed review here. So these were my top picks from among all these lipsticks here. These were my top 5 favorite lipsticks I tried in 2021 based on their shade and the formula. I told you my suggestions for this year. Hope this year was good for you, and if you want to see many more or any other top 5 videos this year, please comment me and tell. I will glad to share the video with you. So see you in the next video, but before that, do not forget to subscribe to my channel and give this video a big thumbs up if you like this video. See you in the next video. Till then, bye.